All right, we are at our friend's house in Wichita, getting ready to head to Colorado Springs. And we're facing this. So it should clear in the next hour and a half, but the road is wet, so I think we'll still put on our rain pants anyway to avoid getting splashed. You doing well?
Oh yeah, a little cold.
It's a little on the chilly side, isn't it?
Yeah, I gotta,
70?
I'm gonna put my rain top on.
Yeah, I was thinking about putting my sweatshirt on. But maybe I'll be alright, I don't know.
Hey!
Everything good?
Yeah.
Excited to finally be on the trip?
Excited to be on the trip, man. This is like the nicest weather I've had actually coming out of Kansas. It's
Yeah.
not super sunny and windy and hot.
I know. I think it's like 70 degrees is what the bike told me.
Yeah. I think we dodged the bullet on the rain though.
Yeah, although I'm not quite sure what's up ahead there.
So you keeping your stuff on?
I think so. Then it's a little chilly, so
yeah.
Kind of keeping the wind down.
Yeah.
Made it to Garden City, Kansas, and we're going over to this Main Street Food and Brew Hall. It used to be called, what is it, Flatiron Brew House? Is that what it was?
It was called Flat Mountain.
Flat Mountain, which sounded like a cool place, but we pulled up here and they got a different name. So we don't know what's going on. But we're gonna go and eat, and we're a few hours yet from Colorado Springs, which is our destination for the night. made it to Colorado Springs from Wichita, and we were on the road for probably 11 hours. It was like it was just under 500 miles, and stopped for lunch and stopped to stretch, gas, you know, all that kind of stuff. So it turned out to be about 11 hours. Luckily, tomorrow is 130 miles, and we're gonna be at our next destination for 2 nights. So it's just gonna be fun riding. Andrew is directly next door because I didn't want him to sleep on the couch, which he said he would have, but I wasn't going to do that to him after a long day. But we got these parking spots right outside here for the bikes, so that's good. And I think my buddy Keith is directly above me. It's kind of dated in here, but it's clean. So that'll do. Well, anyway, I'm gonna change into shorts. I think it's shorts and a sweatshirt tonight. So we're gonna do that, and then there's a couple breweries that we want to get to, so we're gonna go do that. I'm not gonna bring you with, so I'll update you at a later time, or not. Either way, we'll talk to you later. Well, Keith has already been up. I think he wiped his bike down. And then Andrew, I think is still sleeping, but I texted him because I was just having coffee down in the lobby. And I think he will be ready to go. Keith wants to go to Whataburger for breakfast, which is what we do on all of our trips. So we stopped at Whataburger here in Colorado Springs, and we're gonna head up kind of through those mountains where the big storm clouds are. Looking at the radar, we should avoid it, but that's not 100% obviously. So I guess we're ready to go. We stopped in Buena Vista, Colorado, hit up this Eddie Line brewery, and it started raining on us. So the bikes are wet again. We just got done riding through an hour of rain, and the seat's wet. Thought we were done with the rain, so I didn't cover it. But now we're gonna make our way through Leadville to Breckenridge, where we're going to be for a couple days. so that should be fun. But we gotta get our rain gear back on because I think we'll maybe get some more of that rain there. All right, we just wanted to stop here and get pictures with the mountains in the background. Very beautiful. Lots of traffic today. It's a Sunday, right? Sunday? Yeah. The bikes are filthy from all the rain. All right, we made it to Breckenridge, and we can't check into the Airbnb for another half hour or so. But we've commandeered some parking, and we're gonna walk down to like one of the breweries, and Keith is gonna figure out where that is.
I'm the logistics guy.
These bikes need to be cleaned. But I'm not bringing you with, so just imagine we're having fun. All right, real quick, this is the Airbnb that we are renting for the 2 nights in Breckenridge. It's got a kitchen. Dining room, 2 bedrooms. Since I have my son with me, he and I are sharing the one with the bunk bed, and Keith gets the master by default. So I think Andrew gets the top bunk. But it's a decent place, and it's only for 2 nights. So we're getting ready to head out to more breweries, and we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into. We just had breakfast at Moose. What's the place called? Moose something or other?
Blue Moose.
Blue Moose? Yeah. Now we're getting some stuff on the bikes. We're gonna head over to Independence Pass up to Aspen. Probably a 2.5 hour ride. Should be a good times.
Good times. I'm excited.
Yep. We're up here on Independence Pass, and well, the path kind of took me to this. I think, yeah, that asphalt path probably has a better view, so we're gonna circle back and go take a look at that. Crazy, I feel like this is what Switzerland would be like up in the Alps.
Looks similar.
Oh yeah, from the pictures.
One of the coolest things over there. And then go into Birch's Garden after that. Like the village down. It is worth a walk.
Oh yeah. Join us on the next video where we go through not one, but 2 tunnels. And then we stop for a huge breakfast and get stuck in construction traffic. Then we make a special stop in Colorado. Inspiration for the movie The Shining. Before heading home.